ki Pyllait ki la Kynnoh ya lai Ngut ki briu halor ka kendon baki penchet ki pat ba ka balayalam sha ka jing Shah pen mensau jong ki Ngut ki briu halor ka jing Kynnoh baki dei ki Menshohnoh hakashnong mau thlong mensan ka bahap ha so yong police station mentakasngi ya kini ki lai Ngut ki bala Shah kem la tep da uba skerling pertu lai pandai snem uba try boarding do lai postnem bat uba kentiu nam pertu apa prasnem kereta Superintendent of Police ka East KHASI Hills Uritu Raj Ravi uloong baya kini ki lai Ngut la kem nakashnong mau thlong hakamiat jong kasngi ningkong baladem uloong balapan la Jamin yaki hadian kacing toket ke babanya balapan long hakajan mit jong kasngi baar la bempenken mau ba upat bhur upadan kumba arspa hadulai spa Ngut AA kila sho pen mensau ya uba shining star lau ringnyang lai penyau snem kereta bat uba iso lang khat thang mau arpho snem kereta halor ka jing Kynnoh baki dei ki Menshohnoh.
We have put multiple sections because it is an unlawful assembly and they jointly committed an atrocious act. So in that regard, we had detained 3 people and we released them on bail bond after interrogating them. Our main focus will be the people who are the main conspirators, the main people who were the instigators and the people who actually participated in the crime.
Ka Sentinel jong ka North East Assam Rifles